Hello everyone, in this guide we want to change RDP port number on Windows. You can use Windows client or a Windows server. It is recommended to change RDP port for secure connections. Typically the RDP port number is 3389. In this guide we will show you two methods to change your RDP port number. First one is to use Windows Registry, and the second one's from the command line from PowerShell. Let's start from the GUI method Windows Registry. To open the Windows Registry, open Runbox with WinR, type regedit and press OK. This will open the registry editor for you. Now you need to navigate to this path. You can copy it from the Oracle Core guide and paste it here and press enter. Now from the right side, look for the port number, scroll down and find port number. Right click on the port number and select modify option. Make it decimal and change the value data to your desired number, for example 3319, and click OK. Next you should close this registry editor and restart your system and check your connection to the remote computer with the new port number. One of the important notes is that you need to make sure to open the new port number through your firewall. If you use firewall, you can check for this guide how to open a port on Windows Firewall. You can open the Windows Defender Firewall, look for the advanced settings, click on the inbound rules, define a new rule, a port number, TCP port number, and specify your new RDP port here and click next. Allow the connection for that. Check on the network types and click next. Name your new rule and click finish. This will open your new RDP port from your firewall. You can check it for this guide. Another method you can change RDP port number is to use PowerShell. You need to open PowerShell and run it as an administrator. Search for PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Check the current ports being used. You can check for this. As you can see, the port number is changed. From the PowerShell, you can choose your desired number again. like this, and use these commands and change the port value to your desired number. For example, we change this port number to 3374. This will also open the new rule through your firewall. Now check the current port number with this command. You should see that it has changed to 3374. That's it, you are done. If you need any help, you can comment for us and subscribe our channel for more video tutorials. Goodbye everyone.